Well, hi everyone. We've got a new update today, 24.5. Now, interestingly enough, we're going to see what that's all about and we'll have a look at it right now.
Mal's back talking Tesla. To see the enhancements made to my Tesla and how to update yours, please subscribe to the channel and you can message me with suggestions or for help.
So nice to have you join us. Another update. So in 3 weeks we've had 3 updates effectively. Going back in time, we had 24.3.4, now .5. 23.3 disappeared from everywhere, so that's almost like a bad software update. It was gone without us even looking at it. 24.4 is not on the dashboard now here. So 24.5 superseded it, and you don't have 24.4 in place. It doesn't see it, and they've just rewrote it again. So it's basically exactly the same as before, like this, but nothing outstanding. So the only way to do it is to take it out on a little test run. See if we get any changes. I hate that when they don't tell you anything. You don't know what you're going to get, and it won't be the same. So all the car wash stuff, if you want to see what that's all about, that will be in my video 24.3, and I covered everything on that one, so you can see it. I even did a car wash one, so you can actually see what it's like on taking it in a car wash, how that works. But today on 24.5 we're going to take it out on the road. We'll try a few round the bend tests and a few tests that we know have been a problem in the past, and we'll see what happens. Let's go. I tried it in Autopilot around all the bends to see if it would pull out. It didn't work too well, and it's gone worse than it was last time. So it was a non-conclusive test as it didn't work. So it's a quick video. I didn't waste too much of the time. If it's your first one and that you are getting all these new things that you've never seen before and that everybody else has had them and you were the last to get it, then it's good for you. You're going to get car wash mode. The mirror's going to, tint, auto tint, turn them off. All that stuff, all the good stuff will be there for you. I've linked it in the end of this video. So 24.3 goes into the whole depth of it. So if that's what you need to know, how it works, you can see that. On this video, we've done a few tests that I want to see what anything's improved. And as you see, there's a few things worse. Around corners, it's bad. Summon is better, so that's good. So it's a little bit better. But in the UK, it's nothing to write home about. It really isn't. It's just about gets you out of a parking space, but you have to be really close to the car, almost touching it. But it still looks impressive for people to see you coming out of the space, but they don't realise that in America, our American cousins can go about 60 feet away and have it going all around the car park, singing and dancing, and we don't get that. And don't forget, if you want to join into the competition we'll be running at some point, to get the prize and prizes, all you need to do is, if you have subscribed, is just put your name in the comments saying you've subscribed. We take those details off. We can get in touch with you at some point about it. That'll be great. Anyway, until the next one, I look forward to seeing you on that one. Until then, I'll be seeing you.
Thanks for watching, and do tell us in the comments section that you've subscribed, and we can then contact you if you're the winner when the prize is drawn.
Quack, quack. Oops.